Good morning, students. Today we will study about cyanobacteria. Because of the presence of the chlorophyll A and performing oxygen evolving photosynthesis in a manner very similar to green eukaryotic algae and higher plants, the cyanobacteria, also referred as Myxophyceae, Cyanophyceae, Cyanophyta, and Myxophyta, were formerly assigned to the plant kingdom and were called the blue-green algae. Later study from with the electron microscopy and biochemistry revealed that the blue-green algae are in fact the photosynthetic prokaryotes. These studies strongly indicate an affinity between the blue-green algae and bacteria. In both bacteria and blue-green algae, the nuclear material lie naked in the cytoplasm as a tightly coiled DNA helix in contact with the cell membrane. Their cell wall contains muramic acid. The DNA and the ribosomal component of the blue-green algae are similar to those of bacteria. In both bacteria and blue-green algae, all the membrane-bound organelles are absent. Like algae, blue-green algae are frequently multiplied by binary fission. Because of the close relationship of blue-green algae to bacteria, the blue-green algae are now placed with the bacteria and are recognized as a major group referred to as cyanobacteria. In 1969, these were placed together by Whittaker in a separate kingdom, Monera. Characteristics of cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are the photosynthetic gram-negative prokaryotes. Most bacteria are non-photosynthetic, but a few are photosynthetic. The cyanobacteria differ from photosynthetic bacteria in that the photosynthesis of cyanobacteria result in the release of oxygen derived from the splitting of water molecule in a manner very similar to the eukaryotic algae and higher plants. Like eukaryotic algae and higher plants, cyanobacteria have chlorophyll A. The photosynthetic bacteria possess a different pigment, bacteriochlorophyll. The cyanobacteria contain accessory pigment known as the carotenoids and phycobilins. Blue phycobilins include the phycocyanin and allophycocyanin, while the red phycobilin, phycoerythrin. The presence of chlorophyll A, phycobilins, and certain unique carotenoid pigment impart various shades of gray, green, olive, orange, red, and yellow color to the cell of the cyanobacteria. Such pigments are not present in the photosynthetic bacteria. The chlorophyll of the cyanobacteria is not confined to chloroplast as it is in eukaryotic algae and higher plant, but is found in the cell in thin layer of membrane called the thylakoids. To the outer surface of the thylakoid are attached disc-like phycobilin containing bodies called the phycobilizome. These alkaloids, these thylakoids are the structure unique to the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria lack flagella but are able to glide over a gelatinous layer scattered through the cell surface. They do not manifest mitosis, meiosis, and feature of sexual reproduction characteristics of most eukaryotes. Some cyanobacteria produce unique structure called heterocysts, which function as the site for nitrogen fixation. Inside this special structure, the nitrogen from the air is converted into a form usable by the plant. Cyanobacteria are probably the major primary producer in the world ocean and may are ecologically important as a fixer of atmospheric nitrogen. Thank you.